So let's continue with this journey of competitive coding. And yeah, so this video and next video I'll be focusing on string questions. And yeah, so anyone who is beginner and starting their journey on competitive coding or writing their first code on strings, this is very good problem to start with. Okay, reverse of the string. And this is very popular, and I have also, I think, started my maybe practicing getting my hands dirty on the string questions with reversing the string. And then you can have like a lot of other string problems like palindrome or yeah, so on and so forth. So in this one, in the reverse of the string, this question is a little bit, it's a character array. But first I will try to explain. Let's say if it was string, let's say this is like hello, okay, which is of type string in Java. And then we have to, if we have to reverse it, so OLLEH, this is a reverse of the string. How we can do it? So it's very simple. We can start the loop from end to start, and then we can take a new string, empty string. We can take the keep taking the characters as we go on in the loop, and we can keep appending the characters in the result string. That's it, we will return the result string like that way. So let's say if I start with, this is stored in string variable, okay, let's say string str. So I can start with the last length -1 index, and I should be greater than equal to 0. This is my terminating condition, I minus minus. Okay, and yeah, I can take a result string with empty. I will initialize the result string with empty character. And yeah, in this one it's very easy. I can just simply do r equal to r plus c. So I mean the character h, so I have to extract this character. So in Java, how you can do it, you can just write this function which is inbuilt string function. So str.char add of index. So this particular thing, first of all, it will, the index is 0 1 2 3 4. So first time the I value is 4, so this will return me h. Okay, so it will append, so r is like what, empty, so empty plus h, so empty plus h, it will be h. So now in the first iteration r equal to h, okay, and in the second iteration I minus minus, so I value is 3. So next time this will return me e, so r plus e, r is h, h plus e, it will be he. Next time i's value is like l, okay, and yeah, I value is 2, and string dot caret of 2 will give me l, so r plus l, so r is he, so hel. Similarly it will be oh, sorry, I was taking into reference this string. This is my original string, so it will be starting from this o l, here o l l e h. Okay, if this was my original string, then it will be like, this will be my reverse. Yeah, no, doesn't matter. You understood the concept, right? Like we are running the loop from end to start, and then just appending the characters and returning the result. That's it. This is very simple logic to reverse the string. And you can just dry run to understand the concept of manipulating the string. Okay, and in this question, yeah, you can notice a difference. You can notice one thing here. So we are taking a new string here, okay, and we are appending the characters. So by the end of the loop, this will be a new string, okay, and the memory will be equal to original string. So okay, so we don't need this, the extra memory of again of n. So this will be like complexity is O of n, that is fine, but space complexity is also O of n. We don't need this basically. So what we can apply to, what we can apply a technique to to make this algorithm very efficient and not taking any extra space, is two pointers approach. Okay, so I'll just explain this problem by using this two pointers technique. So basically we will take, in this string array only, or in this character array only, we will somehow we will swap the characters to make it the reverse of the character, this character array. Okay, so two pointers means one pointer will be pointing at H, one pointer will be pointing at O, and then we will swap it. So O and H in the result. Okay, in the same array. And then I will increment, first this pointer was pointing at first index, which is like H. This pointer was pointing at my last index, which was O. I will increment this pointer, so now it is pointing at E. I will decrement this pointer, now it is pointing at L, and reverse it, swap the characters, so it will be L and E. And then again we will increment this pointer, decrement this pointer, and swap the characters in this pointing to these pointers. Okay, so that's our funda, like holding the two characters, swapping it, holding the two characters, swapping it, holding the two characters, swapping it. So we don't need any extra result character array to save the characters. In the same array we can just swap the elements. So how does the solution looks like? So we will take two pointers, int p equal to, so one pointer is pointing at first index, like 0 index of the array, so array is my s, sorry, it's like 0. Second pointer is pointing at the last index of the array, which is like s dot length minus 1. Okay, and my so this pointer, when I'm swapping this, increment decrementing, swapping, incrementing decrementing, swapping, and then incrementing decrementing, this should not cross. The moment it crosses, that means we have reached and we have traversed the entire array. We can just terminate the condition. So at any given point of time, my p should always be less than q. Okay, and then okay, now I have to just swap the characters. So swapping logic is very simple. If you have watched my previous videos, you will be very well aware of like the swapping code. So I'm taking like it's a 3 lines of code. So first I'm taking this temp variable, saving the first value, which is like s of p, and then in my s of p I'm saving the second value, which is s of q, and then in s of q I'm saving temp. So this is like a swapping logic. Okay, very simple. And after swapping the characters, I'm just incrementing the pointer and decrementing the pointer. So incrementing the first pointer, which is like p plus plus, decrementing the second pointer, which is like q minus minus. That's it, our job is done. Let's see if we don't have any syntax errors. Yeah, that's correct here. Let's try submitting the problem. Great. Okay, so we have not taken any extra space, and just at traversing the array once and swapping the characters, and our reverse is done. Very simple problem, very basic problem. And okay, next video I'll be doing some other problem on, again focusing on two pointers approach. So you see, with this two pointers approach, I did like previous videos on two pointers technique and solved many array problems, and now I'm doing the string questions and solving this string problems, and then I will be also doing linked list questions and using these two pointers. So if you try to master this two pointers technique, lot of problems you can easily solve it. And similarly, you can learn more techniques as I will progress on this series. I will try to give you more and more tips and techniques, and so that you will be like very much confident enough to go and practice and give interviews of big companies. So yeah, bye for now.